Record your ride from every angle without turning your helmet into a science project. Welcome back. If you're looking for 360-degree awareness and a digital witness for the road, the MUFU V40T Dual 2K helmet camera is the streamlined safety essential of 2026. This isn't just a standard action cam. It is a fully integrated dual-lens security system. The standout feature for 2026 is the simultaneous front and rear 2K recording, powered by a massive 4,000 mAh battery. While most helmet cams die after 2 hours, the V40T pushes through for a staggering 8 hours of continuous footage, making it one of the few cameras capable of documenting an entire day's touring or a full week of commuting on a single charge. What makes the MUFU V40T a 2026 standout for riders is its single-unit simplicity. Instead of mounting two separate cameras, this sleek device handles both directions from one housing, featuring IP66 waterproofing that laughs at heavy rain or snow. It's designed with a G-sensor for emergency locking, automatically protecting your footage if it detects an impact. With an included 64GB card and a dedicated app for instant playback and clip sharing, it's a plug-and-play solution for motorcyclists, skiers, and skaters who want maximum protection with minimum hassle. Click the link below for the best price and watch your back and front today. If this breakdown helped you secure your ride for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that keeps you safe on the move. See you in the next one.